Hey everyone, let us talk about something that can completely transform your makeup game. Moisturizing before you even think about reaching for that primer. It might sound like an extra step, but trust me, it's the secret to that flawless, long-lasting finish we all crave. You see, your skin is a living canvas, and a hydrated canvas is a happy canvas. When your skin is properly moisturized, it's plump, smooth, and supple. This creates the perfect, even surface for your primer and foundation to glide onto, instead of clinging to dry patches or settling into fine lines. Think of it like painting a wall. You wouldn't just slap paint onto a dry, dusty, cracked surface, right? You'd prep it first, maybe sand it down, and apply a base coat to ensure the paint applicaze is smooth and even. Moisturizer is that essential prep step for your face. It acts as a barrier, preventing your skin from absorbing the moisture from your foundation, which is often what causes makeup to look cakey or patchy by the end of the day. When your skin is thirsty, it will literally drink up your foundation, leaving you with uneven coverage. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of why this works. Your skin has its own natural barrier, called the lipid barrier. When this barrier is healthy and hydrated, it keeps moisture in and irritants out. But factors like weather, cleansing, and even just genetics can compromise this barrier, leading to dryness and sensitivity. Applying moisturizer replenishes this barrier. So, when you follow up with a primer, the primer can then do its job, which is to fill in pores, blur imperfections, and create a grippy surface for your makeup to adhere to. It's a team effort. The moisturizer preps the skin's health, and the primer preps the skin's texture. Different skin types benefit in different ways. If you have dry skin, this is a non-negotiable. A rich, hydrating moisturizer will quench your skin's thirst and prevent that tight, flaky feeling under your makeup. It stops foundation from looking crusty and helps it blend seamlessly. For those with oily skin, you might be thinking, more moisture. No thanks. But hear me out. Often, oily skin is actually dehydrated. Your skin overproduces oil to compensate for a lack of water. By using a lightweight, oil-free or gel-based moisturizer, you give your skin the hydration it's craving. This can actually help balance your oil production, meaning you will really get less for toys ao longo do dia. Your primer and foundation will sit instead of sliding around on a slick of oil. And for my combination skin folks, you get the best of both worlds. You can use a lighter moisturizer on your T-zone and a slightly richer one on your cheeks to address the specific needs of each area. This targeted hydration ensures your entire face is a balanced, uniform canvas. The result is makeup that looks cohesive and stays put, without getting greasy in some spots and patchy in others. It's all about creating that perfect equilibrium before you even start with color. The technique is simple. After cleansing your face, pat it dry and immediately apply your moisturizer. Don't rub aggressively. Gently press or massage it into the skin until it's mostly absorbed. Give it a minute or two to really sink in. You don't want to apply primer onto a wet surface. You'll know it's ready when your skin feels soft and hydrated, but not greasy or slick. Then you can go in with your favorite primer. This little pause allows each product to perform at its best without interfering with the other. This one small change of consistently moisturizing before priming will make a huge difference. Your makeup will apply more smoothly, blend more easily, and last significantly longer. You'll use less product in the long run because you won't have to pack on foundation to cover up texture issues. Your skin will look healthier, more radiant, and feel more comfortable throughout the day. It's the foundational secret to makeup that looks like a second skin, not just a layer sitting on top. So give it a try. Your skin and your makeup will thank you for it.